Hello there, welcome to my YouTube channel where I share my knowledge on graphic designing and animation in e-learning. This video is about tips and tricks for scene composition with icons. Let's consider the scenario where you have to create a composition with 4 icons, each with its own text. Here is a basic design where every icon is a different size. The first icon is rectangular, the second icon is box shape, third icon is circular, and fourth is an irregular shape. The labels for each icon is also a different size. This is a common case when designing a screen. To improve the composition, we need to scale each icon to similar size, provide uniform margins in between the icons, and align the text properly. However, even after doing this, it still may not look aligned and scaled properly due to each element being a different size. To address this issue, we can use baseline for each icon based on the largest text. It looks like each text is distributed evenly, tricking our brain into thinking all the text is arranged properly. This technique is especially useful when we have paragraphs under icons. Adding a light color boxes as a background for each text will improve the look and feel of the composition. Placing the icons on the baseline looks nice instead of floating them on the air, but it's not always possible. For example, airplane icon may look odd if placed on the baseline. In such cases, we can use circles as an icon holders. Reducing the size of the icon will improve the look and feel. Using the lighter colors for the icon holders will give soft look and better appearance. There are many other shapes you can use as an icon holders, but if you are using rectangles, there is no need of baseline. You can also use light pastel colors as a background, which is another option. Now let's compare the first image with where we started and the end result. I hope you found this video informative. I will be creating more videos related to designing and animation, so stay tuned. And if you are looking to create an e-learning course for your organization and need help in selecting the right method for your designing and animation, feel free to reach out to me. Finally, I would appreciate if you could subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.